Hi WordPress users. Ninja Tables Pro plugin has great features. It can easily import Google Sheet tables into WordPress in few steps. In this video, we are demonstrate how to import Google Sheet table in WordPress. So, you can see, we have created a table in Google Sheet. Now, go to File menu and click Publish to the web link. Click Publish button and copy sheet link. Next, go to the Ninja Tables menu on the WordPress dashboard and click Add Table button. Now, enter a title and paste full URL of the Google Sheet link. Next, you must choose which columns you want to fetch from Google Sheet. Then, click Save button, and that's it. You have successfully create table out of Google Sheet. In the final step, copy the shortcode and paste into WordPress post or page in shortcode block. And hit the Publish button. Your Google Sheet will ready for visitors. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you were able to learn some valuable information. And we'll see you the next one. And, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more update on Ninja Tables tutorials and technical videos.